You get it. So this is
Alright, ladies and gents, I greet you all. I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel again. So let's quickly look at this grade 11 isometric, faster. So unfortunately I do not have the question for it, because this is actually a printout that I was sent it by you guys. So but by looking at the views, I can be able to interpret the question. What this is, what it's given in third angle orthographic projection. So which means this is my front view, this is my top view, this is my what you call my right view. You understand? Switch off this one. So however, I will assume the scale was given as 1:1. You get it? So let's start. So you know the starting point of isometric. So I'm gonna draw a horizontal constructional line. So it should be horizontal right from here. Then I draw perpendicular against it just a little bit. You understand? So where these lines are perpendicular to each other, that's when I'm gonna open my angle 30 degrees clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Try to be fast. There you go. Then now I can come. They said let your point S to be your lowest point. Point S must be your lowest point. So it's going to be that S. Point S to be my lowest point. So by look of it seems to be interesting. Okay. Once I have it like this, I can begin to record the 15mm from point S going up. 15mm. 15mm is my 15. This is my 15mm. After I've gotten the 15, I'll take it, pinch, and pinch. You understand? Then after that, what is going to happen now? Okay, so from here till here is what is diameter 8. In other ways, from here till here is diameter 8. So who's telling you that? It's your top view, which they said is radius 40 on it. So I can simply take my drawing compass, open it to 40. Remember, using a scale of 1:1. Open it to 40. That's radius, isn't it? Then now I come and place it here. From here till here is 15. I'll just place it here and mark this side and mark this side, so that I'm fast. You understand? And mark again here and mark again here. You understand? So this one, in other ways, is going to be your center. So this one is going to go vertically down. This one is your center again. This one is going to go vertically down. After that, I can take the center at an angle of 30 degrees. Faint. Take this one anti-clockwise 30 degrees. Faint. You understand? So I have this one that goes, and I have this one. I have this one. There it goes. Faint this way. you understand. So it seems to be an interesting one. Engineering graphics and design, grade 11. Engineering graphics and design, grade 11. So check the saturating point of your S there by your top view. So it's also quite interesting, you understand. So once we have this, so where these center line of mine, they're cutting each other, I have to give what an exact point right there. So that point I'm going to name it as point R. That's point R. So stand for the reference of all these points that I just have, that I just got. And by look of things, I'm now having what? I'm now having a square. I'm now having a square, isn't it? So the square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a square already, you understand. So let me just give it name. So I'll decide to say this is corner 1, that one is corner 2, this one will be corner 3, this one will be corner 4. So between corner 1 and corner 2 there is a center. I'll decide a small letter A, and between 2 and 3 there is a center, which is small letter B. 3 to 4 center C. 4 back towards to 1, which is center what? D. A1. Then from there, remember, where are we? We are right here, and double check what is happening here. Double check what is happening here, and you correspond this with this part of your front view as well as the part of your left view here. What is this? What is happening there? You understand? Come play this. Then from there, what is going to happen now? I can simply take my drawing compass and join the two lines opposite corner. You know this method. If you are not familiar with it, simply go to your YouTube channel, Test Teacher School. I've got plenty of videos where I'm addressing how do you draw isometric cycles. Understand? So I'm going to join the two longest opposite corner. Faint. There you go. Then I join the corner to center. I'm not going to explain much because I've got so many videos where I'm explaining this thoroughly. I've joined the corner to center, center to corner. Faint. You understand? So everything that I've drew so far is faint. Everything that I've drew so far is supposed to be faint. Yes, like this. Yeah, faint. So right now I have Roman figure 1 there, Roman figure 2 right there. Get it. So take your drawing compass. Where is it? Where is it? On my small table. Drawing compass. Place it at Roman figure 1. Let's see how accurate I was. Further extended to point A. So I must get an arc that will start from A to D or D to A. So I can draw it faint for now this side. You understand? Then again I place it where at Roman figure 1. Further extended to A. You see, it's correct. Then come and place it at Roman figure 2. Where is I have to get the exact point paper. Then place it at Roman figure 2. Further extend it towards to C and B. Then I can have it faint as well for now. You get it? You get it? Then after that, the one that I'm quite sure that I can draw it solid now is what? Is this one of 2. I must also have an exact point. Place it at 2, further extend to point C and D, which is this one. There you go. Just open it a little bit. This one. I can draw it dark. This one. Is the one that I'm quite sure about it. So far I'm not sure what is going to happen here for now. You understand? And then let's come back and have this one. So if now I have through this one, we are told okay, from here is 40, from here is 40, this 40, and they are actually still the same as what is the radius 40. So what is that supposed to tell me? So if I'm standing on my front view, remember that, let me emphasize this point, guys. Remember, Uti, this is your top view, this is your right view, this is your what? This is your front view, and it. So which means I must try by all means to have a shape like this way at this, so that this would be my right view, and it. Right view means being up. So I must have a shape that is going to be like this side. So which means lentolay, it has to go up a little bit like this. You understand? Again, this is given in third angle orthographic. My right has to be on my right hand side, so that the front view is on your left hand side. You understand? So on your front view, I have to get a same shape that's going to be like this. But remember, it has been viewed orthographical. So somebody might be like, here it's supposed to be dark. I mean, like a square with corners. No, as much as it seems to be like that in your front as well as your right. Who's telling you that it's your top view? But okay, you have to do like this. Alright, get a circle up. So manje ngizoti if from la kuza laba to 40, from here till here is 40, which means, remember, I'm tracing this dimension right from my what? My right view. So which means again from here till here is 40. If from here till here is 40, which means from here till here is 40. And check this 40 is actually starting from this corner to your center, this corner to your center, which means I must have it from here to my center, from here to my center. Dark. There you go. And you go. Okay. Then let's go. Let's see what is happening now. Again, when I trace this corner right from my what? From my top view, it will be good as it's starting from the bottom, coming up. You understand? It will be starting from the bottom, coming up. You can simply see that from your front view, which is starting from this, going up. You understand? And as well as confirm that with what? With your right view, starting from here, going up. So in my right view, if I want to trace this point, remember it's a little bit in, which means it will be that one. But how when you view it orthographically, it will be good as if it's right here at point 3. What else is up there? So then if I can see it's up, it's going vertical up, which means again here I have to just go vertical up. So wayibambala usuqedile ngayo. Again, look, once you understand this, you are already done about it. Look, this is quite interesting. So the very same scenario or problem that I have in my front view is still there in my what? In my front view. This is the right, this is the front. So this is the corner, but it's not starting right from the surface as such that you might be thinking that it's starting from point 1. Orthographically, it seems like you can just go up, isn't it? Who's telling you this one is a little bit back? Is your top view. So it's your top view. So which means you'll go back again up until at that corner, which is that one. Which is that one. You go up. Let's go. How? Then you can come back and now and trace. Okay, what is the height of it? It's 30 millimeter. So now you come and have your 30. 30, yeah, there it is. Be accurate, my brother. I can have my 30 like that. I don't know what I'm drawing, right? I'm just following the protocol. So the solution, it will come out by itself. Look at it. Look at this, what is happening now. Let's go. Look now, if I have this 30 from here till here, okay, it's 30 from my dimension from my right view, which means I have to correlate this side. So it's from here till the 30, right? The same 30 is also there in my in my front view. That is why, okay, even this side 30 millimeter from here going up. Okay, now right from my top view now, it's good as if I'm at that corner now. I'm at that corner, so I see a straight line that's gonna go like this. Again, on my right view, a straight line that's gonna go like this. So which means in my drawing, I can simply take this one. Remember, in your drawing, it won't be a straight line. It will be a line that is at an angle. Hey, one. Again, this one, take it like this. Once you are to such an extent, my guy, the trick of this problem, you've already solved it. So now, that corner, my brother, that corner, it should be good as if it's this one. Heaven, it should be good as if it's that one. So now, you can have it dark, like this, from here to there, solid, from here till there, solid. Heaven. Okay, once I have this one, now I have this corner, which is this one. Look at it, take a closer look. I'm saying this corner is this one. Heaven. This one is that one. What do I see? I see a line that is joining, isn't it? So which means, why can't I not have a line that would be like this? There you go. Simple, straightforward. Check this, what is happening again. Come back to your front view. What do you see in your front view? You see this line from here, from this corner to your center, from this corner to your center, which means this is your front portion, isn't it? Which means again, yeah, you can have this line from R to that one. Hey, one. Again, come to your what? To your right view. This is your right view. You still have the what? The very same type of a line from the center till at that corner, which means I can have from here till right there. You have to be strong in orthographic projection. How do you analyze views? Once you are good at analyzing views, isometric, it will be free marks for you. Then what was that? What it seems to be a challenge, confusing, we've already solved it. So then you can go back to our isometric holes. Then you're done. This is what it is supposed to be. Because if we are viewing it orthographically, this part, it should be that one. This one, it should be this one. Remember that Uguti is a little bit sloping down. You're not going to see that. Who's going to tell you clearly is your front view as well as your right view. You understand? So which means now to finish it up now, I can go back to my isometric holes. Now I'm quite sure it's okay. Roman figure 1, further extend it to A and D. I can have it solid. I can have it solid. Then Roman figure 2, further extend it to C and B. I can have it solid. Simple, straightforward. Everyone. So this was absolutely simple, straightforward. So how now? go back to your starting point of what? Of 15 millimeter. So now you are going to take this point vertically down and that point vertically down. So a tangent that it be just touching like this and touching like that, going down. So now you come back, you don't want to create the same square that you did. You will be just transposing point. You take Roman figure down, Roman figure 1 down as well, be careful. Roman figure 2 down as well, be careful. You get it. As well as point 2. These are the points that we used. And do you see that point 2, if I'm taking it down, it's actually in the same line with R and 4 and the point S. It shows how accurate we were. Remember the S, the set is the lowest point. There you want. Then from there, we are going to go back. If you don't want to do this, you come back and record the thickness. What is the thickness? Is 15 millimeter, which means from point 2 going down, you record 15 millimeter. But then you are inside the examination center. You want to get you actually want to be accurate and be fast. You understand? So how are you gonna do that? You simply place your drawing compass at point 2. You understand? Then you further extend it toward to point. Remember, how did you draw this arc of CD? You place it at 2, further extend it to D and C, and it like this. Now, if you don't want to record that 15, you are going to place it along this line, but putting your pencil lead way at this point. Because this D, it will be good as if it's right there. Now this C is good as if it's going to be right there. So from here till here, you must get an arc. So now, or simply record the 15 millimeter from point 2 going down. You understand? Like this. Then there it is. Then I draw. It's simple, straightforward. Solid. This arc of DC, you drew it by placing your drawing compass at 2, fair, isn't it, like this? So it's the pearl arc combination. The way you drew this one has to be pearl. You understand? So you drew it from here till here, which means again here you don't have to exceed. You have to stop there. You understand? So you come back again, you get this one, an arc that will be parallel to this arc of what? Of DA. How did you draw the arc of DA? Place your drawing compass at Roman figure 1 and get like this. Roman figure 1, we draw it like this. We draw it like this. So now I'm going to place it along this line, or you record 15 millimeter from here till here. But this pencil lead of yours, it has to start to draw from here. Once it touch this tangent of yours, you stop. Trace it, there it is. So now, there you go. Once it touch the tangent, I stop. Once it touch the tangent, I stop. You get it? So where was I placing? You can actually see the mark there. It is. If you can record from here till here, you're going to find it what is the same thickness from here till here. You understand? So now, which means I can have this one. Do you see that it's already a straight vertical line, just like this? Hey man. So what you did here, my brother, you do it this side. Then you're done. So I draw it like this. I firstly record, place it at Roman figure 2, further extend it to point C and get like this. Then manje ke sengiyehla nayo, but the pencil, it has to be pointed right here. You understand? Whereas you place it along this vertical line of your Roman figure 2. Simple, straightforward. So there you go. Yeah. There you go. Solid. Or from Roman figure 2 going down, you record 15 millimeter. You get it. And now you close it. This is it. So it's done. Simple, straightforward. That was grade 11 isometric, grade 11 isometric. So actually from here, started from here till here. You understand? So if there is something I've left, let me down there in the comment, please. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Kosi for Engineering, Graphics and Design, grade 11 vandaag, grade 11. So my brother, I'm very sorry. This was supposed to be uploaded, I think, about 3 weeks, if not 4 ago. So however, I've managed to do it vandaag. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Kosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel and like the video you are watching. So see you on the next video. Bye, donkey.